Hey guys, today I will talk about US 100. After its a strong rally, it has reached a high probability order block, supply zone, and personally I'm looking for potential maybe shorts. Also, today we'll have the FOMC, the Federal Open Market Committee. So I'm talking about the US 100. Read disclaimer here, please read it before we'll talk about the US 100 support as well if you have questions. So today actually we'll have the FOMC, the Federal Reserve is expected to increase the federal funds rate from 4.75% to 5.00%. So 25 basis points rate hike in the March monetary policy meeting after a 25 basis point rate hike in February, and it remains to see how the markets will react after the FOMC press conference, FOMC statement, FOMC economic projections. But the Federal Reserve is expected to continue hiking rates in the next monetary policy meetings, only because the US inflation remains high. So US 100, okay, US 100, Nasdaq. So it has rallied. It has rallied in the short term, only because the dollar index crashed, the US dollar depreciated versus its rivals, and here it has retested the lower medium line, rally towards the medium line here, retreat, a new rally. And right now it has reached the former highs as potential resistance levels. We have here on 1 hour, we have an order block maybe here right now. First reaction. Personally, I would like the price to come back to retest it, and then to turn to the downside, okay, in the short term. So personally, I will look for potential short opportunities if it will come back to retest here, or I will look for potential longs after reaching this zone, or after coming back down to reach this high probability buying zone here, order block and demand zone, right? And here a breakout, retreat, rally. So that's why personally I'm expecting maybe the price to come back down at least towards this zone before trying to extend its growth. So coming back here to retest could bring us potential short opportunities maybe on lower time frames, and that's why I've said that I will try to identify a potential short opportunity. But don't forget that today, the FOMC is seen as a high impact event, could bring sharp volatility, high volatility, and sharp movements on all markets. Also here on the Nasdaq, on the US 100. Okay. 1, 2, 3 here. Personally, I decided to draw 1, 2, and 3 here, a descending pitchfork. Right now, you can see that the price only retested the upper medium line, and as long as it stays also below the upper medium line here of the descending pitchfork. Let's select another color for this descending pitchfork. US oil could come back down at least towards this zone, but retest, false breakouts, as I've said, could signal a potential also larger correction or a larger downside movement after reaching an order block here, resistance, former highs. So this is my opinion about US oil in the short term, guys. And only a new higher high, and taking out invalidating this order block and supply could signal potential upside continuation. This is my opinion, guys. Don't forget to read the disclaimer, and don't forget to visit our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, follow us on Instagram, learn to trade our website, and if you want to join the VIP groups, you can use this link. You can type it manually in your browser, or you can access the link posted right below this video. Bye bye.